Hello America. Thanks for tuning in to this breaking news weather forecast. Folks, as we have discussed time and time again on this show, global warming continues to raise ambient temperatures across the country. Tonight we have a very special segment with two experts to discuss the health risks of climate change as well as possible solutions going forward. Thanks for being here tonight. Now I'll send it over to renowned nephrologist Dr. Glom.
Hi folks. Dr. Glom here. Tonight I want to teach you all about the concept of heat stress. To put it simply, heat stress is a dangerous state that occurs when there is too much heat in the body. Normally we are able to naturally dissipate heat, for example by sweating when we exercise. However, when these mechanisms get overwhelmed by excessive temperatures, severe injuries can occur. As a nephrologist, I want to briefly discuss the effects that these rising ambient temperatures can have on the kidneys. Recent estimates suggest that over 35 million Americans suffer from chronic kidney disease. These people already must be diligent in protecting the remaining kidney function that they have. As temperatures rise, they will be at much higher risk for things like dehydration, heat exhaustion, and even heat stroke. All can further diminish renal function. A recent meta-analysis noted that continued heat stress-related kidney injury can actually lead to the development of chronic kidney disease. This risk is especially high for laborers that work outside or in places with poor cooling. This study looked at 442 laborers, many of which worked mainly outside. Of this cohort, 82% experienced a heat stress-induced injury during the summer. Surprisingly, 42% of these workers experienced a heat stress injury in the winter. To briefly summarize, as temperatures rise due to global warming, we are all at risk for heat-induced kidney injury. Americans with underlying CKD, or many other comorbid medical conditions, those that work outside or in areas with poor ventilation, or those not drinking enough water are at high risk for hurting their precious kidneys. Please protect your beans, folks. Now I'm going to send it over to Sam the scientist to discuss how we can fight against global warming.
Thanks, Dr. Glom. Hi America, my name is Sam and I am a climate scientist working to help stop global warming. I want to give you all some hope as well as motivation to help save our Earth. The good news is that our everyday choices, both personal and financial, can make a real difference. Personally, you can do simply things like switching to LED bulbs, improving insulation at home, and upgrading to energy-efficient appliances. Also, try to walk, bike, or use public transport when possible. If you are interested, consider solar panels and electric vehicles. These can have great economic benefits as well. Regarding food, please consume responsibly. Avoid fast fashion, single-use plastics, and excessive consumption. Support eco-conscious companies. Unfortunately, small changes may not be enough. To drive systemic change, we must push for broader action. Consider divesting from polluting industries. Many banks and investment funds support fossil fuel companies. Moving your money to climate-friendly investments helps shift financial power toward clean energy. Also, vote for climate-conscious policies, support leaders and legislation that prioritize renewable energy and sustainability. Please consider signing climate petitions, joining climate groups, and pressuring companies and local government officials to adopt sustainable practices. Folks, please remember that by making sustainable choices, divesting from harmful industries, and advocating for strong climate policies, we can all contribute to a healthier planet. Every action counts. Let's work together for a sustainable future. Thank you.
That's all we have tonight, folks. I hope our amazing experts gave you some good insights into the risks of climate change as well as how we can best help as individuals going forward. Good night.